So yeah, we kind of got bored of doing math.
So we became cats?
Yeah, that's what we did. Roll it.
Taryn, where'd you go? Okay.
What are you doing? We need to finish working on math. Get off the couch.
Cats don't do math. Meow!
Taylor, what are you doing?
I'm napping on the counter.
Why?
Because that's what cats do, Taryn. They nap on counters. What are you... Taryn, move! You're not a cat! Taylor, what the hell? Get out of my house!
What is that noise? What are you doing?
Let me out!
'Cause you don't have hands.
I'm a cat!
Okay. That was weird. Oh. What? I just let you out.
It's cold. It's winter.
But I'm a cat.
No.
Taylor, what are you doing? What are you doing?
This is how JP lays.
Gonna back away slowly.
My window.
No. Taylor, what are you doing?
I am perching in the window.
You don't fit in the window.
I do fit! I love you, window. Don't listen to her.
Because cats take up the whole bed.
We're taking a cat nap. Well, the cat antics are so hard. They're so tiring.